Hey y'all, this week's quick tip is a keyboard shortcut that will allow you to insert comments in docs, sheets, slides, and Google Drawings. Does not work in Google Classroom. However, I have hopes that we will get better shortcuts in Google Classroom soon. Now, this is really easy. Keyboard shortcuts save us tons of time, but especially in this time when we're doing so much distance learning and remote learning, this can save you time when you're leaving feedback for your students. So if you're on a Chromebook or Windows device, you're going to use Control-Alt-M. On a Mac, it's going to be Command-Alt-M. And be sure you leave your cursor where you want that comment connected because you'll see it highlighted right where I was in the document. And then you just type your comment, click comment, and comments appear out to the side. So I hope you like this tip. I love keyboard shortcuts. They save me tons of time. If you like this, click that subscribe button so you get notified when these short, quick tip videos come out each week. And you know what? Share this with another teacher if you find this useful. Bye, y'all.